Hello everyone. Previously, we had discussed about the benefits of the surrogate key, benefits of using the surrogate key over natural keys, right? So here, today we'll be discussing about the unique constraint, right? So basically, what does unique constraint do? A unique constraint ensures that all the values in the column or a combination of columns are distinct across the table, are distinct across the table. So just keep this in mind. Very simple, right? A unique constraint ensures that all the values in the column or a combination of the columns are distinct across the table, right? So here, unlike primary key, a table can have multiple unique constraints. We know this one. A table can have multiple unique constraints and the columns as well. And the columns as well can contain null value if allowed by design. If it is allowed by design. This is fine. This is fine, I guess. Right. So let's write the simple example where we can make use of the unique constraint, right? So let's write the simple example here. Uh, yeah, let's write the simple query that showcases the unique constraint here. So this is fine. Mm, let me come here. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. So here I'll just create a table named customers. So this is fine. Let me open the parenthesis and close the parenthesis. So here I'll just go with the three parameters. One is customer ID. So I'll just make this one small customer ID, which consists of which is of type integer. So let's set this one as primary key. This is fine. So next we are going with a unique constraint, right? So uh, phone number has to be unique. Phone number has to be unique. So I'll just go with here phone number. So this will be var of 20. This will be var of 20 and this will be unique. So I'll just make use of the unique keyword here. So phone number has to be unique. Phone number has to be unique for everyone. So this has to be, I'll be making use of the unique constraint over here. So let me make use of parameter name. I'll just go with a var of 100, var of 100, right? So this is it for the query. Now let's insert some data. Means here let's insert valid data and let's insert the duplicate phone number that causes error. Let's see whether the unique constraint works or not. Let's do these things, right? So just give me a second here. So here I'll just copy paste certain things. Nothing but what we are doing here, we will insert the valid data and let me insert duplicate phone number as well. Let me paste it over here. This is nothing but the valid data. We have the this one, what do we call, parameters customer ID, phone number and name. Here we have the parameters customer ID, phone number and name as well. So here we have given the this one, what do we call, the duplicate phone number. We have given the duplicate phone number same as this one to the 3, to the id 3. See here, id, this one customer id is 3, but we have given the same phone number where we have made use of the unique keyword here, unique constraint or the unique keyword here. So this has to throw the error. This has to throw the error. So it has to say violation of the unique key constraint, right, on the phone number. So that's what it has to say. Here we have inserted customer id 1, this phone number, and the name is Amit. So this one too, the phone number, the name is Sunita here. So this one is fine. Um, Again, we are inserting this one, customer ID 3. This one, we have the duplicate phone number same as Amit. It shouldn't be, uh, it's not possible as we have made use of the unique here, right? So here this has to throw the error and the name we have given Raj, right? So let me execute this one. Yeah, see here, could not find stored procedure Raj. This one, we are getting the error, right? We are getting the error here. Completion time, this one. Completion time, this one, right? So yeah, this is it for the unique constraint. This is it for the unique constraint, right? So just give me a second. So let me do one thing. Let me delete some of the tables here. Again, this one, what do we call? And then again, let me execute. So that is the reason we are not getting the correct output here. So just give me a second here. So let me select this one as well, students as well. This is one of the tables, already used tables, right? So let me do one thing here. So this one back, I'll just give Raj here. Raj, this is fine. So let me execute this one again. Now you can clearly see we are getting the correct output. Basically, that at that time we were getting something, right? See here, um, two row two rows affected means first two rows has been inserted successfully here. First two rows has been inserted successfully, these two rows, Amit and Sunita, with the customer ID 1 and 2, right? So the third one here, it says violation of the unique key constraint, violation of the unique key constraint. This one, unique key customer, this one cannot insert duplicate key in an object dbo.customers, because this is duplicate. See here, the phone number, we have made use of the same phone number as Amit. Raj is making same, Raj is using same phone number as Amit. This is not possible as we have made use of the unique constraint here, right? So that is the reason we are getting violation of unique key constraint. Now this is working correct, right? So now this is working correctly. So I hope the unique constraint part is completely clear. Means unique keyword ensures no two rows have the same value in the specific columns, man. And it also allows multiple such this one multiple such constraints for the table. So for now, I hope the unique constraint part is completely clear. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.